This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming account and access so you don't chase the wrong profile. Sign into the Google account your teacher uses or your student account, then open Classroom. Google, Com, or the Classroom app. This ensures you see the same class roster. Once done, find and open the specific class. Make sure you're not viewing an archived or guest copy. These steps eliminate confusion and put you immediately where the teacher's contact details live. Now you go to People inside the class, because that's where instructor details appear. Click People and scan the Teachers section. You'll see names and possibly icons. When you hover or click a teacher's name, choose their profile or contact option. Classroom sometimes shows an email directly or a linked Google profile. If you see a message icon, that lets you email via Classroom without exposing the address. Make sure to try both hover and click. Since visibility, finally retrieve or request the address. If the profile shows an email, copy it and compose a polite message. Explain why you need direct contact. If Classroom hides the email, use the built-in message feature or check the teacher's Google profile link. If neither works, post a short request in Classwork or Stream or consult the school directory. If things go wrong, clear cache, try an incognito window, or ask an administrator for permission changes so teacher contact is visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.